Wonderful morning, children. Welcome to Lakshmi's study room. In this video, we are going to learn about the structure and functions of the cell organelles like ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. If you see the structure of the cytoplasm of the cell, there are some small granule-like structures are there. See, these are some granule-like structures. These granule-like structures will be called as a ribosomes. So these ribosomes are made up of RNA and proteins. Ribosomes are made up of RNA and proteins. So the main function of the ribosomes is a protein synthesis. That means it is the site for manufacturing of proteins. And ribosomes are of two types: free ribosomes and attached ribosomes. So free ribosomes are scattered around the cytoplasm. Free ribosomes are spread throughout the cytoplasm, and attached ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. So these are the types of the ribosomes. So these are all. So here ribosomes are the small granule-like structure which were present in the cytoplasm of the cell, and ribosomes are made up of RNA and proteins. Ribosomes are of two types. That is, one is free ribosomes. They are scattered around throughout the cytoplasm, and second one is a attached ribosomes. These are attached to the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. So the main function of the ribosomes are preparation of synthesis of proteins. So this one is the next one is a endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum, see, this endoplasmic reticulum has when we see the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum in electron microscope, we can see the channels. So these will be called as a channels or network of the tubules and vesicles. So these channels have a connecting to the nucleus to plasma membrane. So what's the main function of these channels are to transport the prepared material, manufactured material. So in this video, we will learn the main functions of the endoplasmic reticulum and what is endoplasmic reticulum and how many types of endoplasmic reticulum and functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. So these network of membranes was observed throughout the cytoplasm. If you see the cytoplasm of the cell, so there are the endoplasmic, if you see the cytoplasm of the cell, so endoplasmic reticulum has so many folds. It started from the nucleus and spread towards the plasma membrane also. So this will be transported the material from cytoplasm of the nucleus to and cell membrane. So from one part, these substances should be transported from one part to the cell to the another part. So this network of membrane is known as the endoplasmic reticulum. If you see what is endoplasmic reticulum, endo means which was present inside the cytoplasm, and plasmic means which was present in the cytoplasm, and reticulum means it will be look like a net. So it will look like a network of the so many channels. So that's why it will be called as a endoplasmic reticulum. So these endoplasmic reticulum contains large number of tubes and sheets. So tubes means these are the tubes and sheets. That means thin sheets are there. So endoplasmic reticulum may have some granule-like structures. Actually, for better understanding, endoplasmic reticulum we divided into two parts. Smooth, the part which was present near the nucleus, it will be called as a rough endoplasmic reticulum. The part towards the cell membrane, that part will be called as a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Because why it can be called, it appears like a rough endoplasmic reticulum, that's why it will be called as a rough endoplasmic reticulum. See, if we see the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum, it has a small granule like structures on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. So these granules will be called as a ribosomes. I have already told you the main function of the ribosomes is to manufacture of proteins. So the main function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum is a manufacture of the proteins. Rough endoplasmic reticulum plays a major role in protein synthesis. Then the part of the endoplasmic reticulum near the cell membrane or plasma membrane, it did not have any ribosomes. So that's why it will be called as, this appear as a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The main function of the SCR, we can simply call it as a SCR. So the main function of SCR is it will be manufactured for lipids. Will be manufactured for lipids, and it is very important for cell function. So the manufactured proteins and lipids are then sent to various parts present in the cytoplasm of the cell, and also these lipids and proteins help in building of plasma membrane. Why? So plasma membrane, each and every plasma membrane is made up of proteins and lipids. The structure of the endoplasmic reticulum is similar to the structure of the plasma membrane. Not only endoplasmic reticulum, the cell organelles which was present inside the cytoplasm, all the cell organelles have a membrane. The membrane resembles to the structure of the plasma membrane only. And the main function of the plasma membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. So the lipids and proteins are manufactured within the endoplasmic reticulum only. So then only with these proteins and lipids will helps to prepare or prepare the cell membrane. So the main functions of the endoplasmic reticulum is, one is manufacture the food like proteins and lipids, and second one is transport these substances through these channels from one place to another place within the cytoplasm. Sometimes it transported from the nucleus to the plasma membrane also. And other function is, it is also providing a surface for some of the biochemical activities of the cell also. So for example, if you see the invertebrates, the liver cells have a SCR. So the SCR plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisonous and drugs. So these are all for the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. One is manufacturing of the food materials like proteins and lipids, and second one is these manufactured food materials will be transported throughout the cytoplasm from one cell organelle to another cell organelle, and from nucleus to the cell membrane also. And it is also a providing surface for the so many biochemical activities also. And SCR also plays a vertebrates in crucial role in vertebrates, and role of the liver cells have a SCR. It has a plays a major role in detoxifying many drugs. So okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon.